birds in the sky? Anybody know the ayah? أَفَلَمْ يَنْظُرُوا Is it أَفَلَمْ يَنْظُرُوا? إِلَى الطَّيْرِ مُسَخَّرَاتٍ فِي جَوِّ السَّمَاءِ مَا يُمْسِكُهُنَّ إِلَّا الرَّحْمَنُ Did I make a mistake? مَا يُمْسِكُهُنَّ إِلَّا اللَّهُ Why don't they look at the birds in the sky and ask yourself the question, why is it gliding? How is it able? How are these wings aerodynamically designed to glide in the sky? Human beings took thousands of years to develop the aeroplane, the aerofoil, which copies the design of birds' wings. Why is it able to fly? Why did Allah design it in this way? And if I jump off the stage and I flap my hands, nothing's going to happen. I'm going to have a nice chin fracture afterwards.